All right, let's get into our first topic, and that is talking about dash cameras saving drivers headache. Yes, we talked about dash cameras earlier, especially with saying Nexar being the sponsor, but also just in general. And here are two different stories on why it's helped drivers save massive headaches. So here's the
Yeah,
first one. If you want to read through this one.
sure. So I titled it Why Dash Cams Are the Most Important Tool. Well, I get tons of emails, mostly sad ones because of the deactivations, and they think I can do something. I really can't. But keep sending them to me. I mean, what all it does is just adds to the database of how in-app the in-app review process is, but it has gotten better. I must say that though. So I was found at fault until my Nexar Beam 3 dash not can, showed I had the green light. You may share this with others to let them know the need of a dash cam. I didn't obviously didn't correct the spelling. Unfortunately, someone had backed into my backup vehicle and had been deactivated. I still have Lyft, as you and Chris advised, as a multiple platform. I can continue to work. Thanks for all you guys do. Keep up the good work. Newbie since 10/22/24. Have been a diamond driver and try to cherry pick when I can. Great. Of course, yeah, please cherry pick when you can. He sent me the footage of the accident, and here it is.
Oh, this is footage. I thought this was someone else. All right. Well, either way,
that's the same. That's the same one.
Okay. Well, either way, this is going to be showing you at an intersection. He has the green light. He's going, and then the car just blows right through the red light, and he hits it. So shows exactly who's at fault, what happened, and why isn't that showing?
Right now, customers spend $5 to get one. High impact detected. Notifying your emergency contacts in 30 seconds. Tap the power button to cancel.
All right.
So what happened in this case is that he had a left turn arrow that turned green for him, and he proceeded to turn. And this idiot knucklehead decided, I just think I'm just going to keep going straight. And there you go. So, and he happened to have a Nexar, which is odd actually, because I get all kinds of dash cam footage, but that's why you need it. And then,
I said, why is it odd? It's a good camera.
Yeah, it is. And the fact that it immediately detected the accident, right? And it notified, it said, we're going to notify your contact immediately, so that's a good thing. And this just happened to be next. I get these like couple of these a week, and then I not dash cam but accident emails, and I first question, like I do with deactivations, I tell them, do you have dash cam footage? They go, no. I'm like, well. So in this case, the left arrow is pretty short, like maybe 30 seconds or so in most cases. And by the time this accident happened, it probably turned red. And now it becomes he says, she says. No. If you have a dash cam footage, it's green arrow. And he proved himself to be correct. Unfortunately, accident happened with passengers in the car. So there you go.
Yep. But either way, definitely saves a massive headache when it comes down to it, because then he's able to show exactly what had happened. And when they said, "Oh, you were in the wrong," and then you're like, "Nope, I have the camera to prove it," and then you show them the actual proof, now it's a whole different story. So a lot of things out there. So that's just one of the stories. So definitely good to have. If you want to get the Nexar one, link is going to be in the description. If you have another idea of one, definitely get one. But either way, you got to have a dash camera no matter what.
Yep, 100%. But yeah. I wonder, we should put a poll. You know what? We should put a poll on our community page. Do you have a dash cam? Yes or no?
We should.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll bet you it'll be like
more up there.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Tomorrow we'll put it up. Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.